So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So today this video is gonna be very special, very important and a very beneficial video. Because in this video, I'll be talking about the fear from English. Yes, the fear of speaking English, of spoken English. Remember, whenever we people try to speak in front of people, whenever we try to speak English at that time, we afraid a lot from to speak English because at that time lot of doubts works in our brain, and also the fear of people works, where we also face lot of hesitations and also lot of doubts. At that time, if we can speak English good, then also we do a lot of mistakes, and for that mistakes we can't speak English very well. So now I also had this fear when I was a beginner, and everyone has this fear, the fear of English speaking. But now the question is, what is the solution then? How I remove my fear? Like now, as you can see, I am at the outdoor side, I am near the border, so I am very free here to speak English. A lot of people that are also going behind me, they're looking yeah, at me. I also have one friend who is making video too. So I am making the video, I am speaking in English. It means that I don't have any kinds of fear. How to fight with your fear of English? Okay, remember, whenever we try to speak English, then at that time we face this fear, and this fear is very dangerous fear. So for that reason, you need to fight with this fear very quickly. So when I was in a beginning moment, at that time I would fear too, because for one reason, and that reason is because for the people. Just try to understand that many people, they are very good at English, their vocabulary, their grammar rules and everything is very good. But when they see people, then they hesitate, their just mouth agape. Okay, and for that reason they can't speak the English good. So for that reason, if you want to remove the fear of English speaking, then first of all you have to remove the fear of people. Yes, if you can remove the fear of people, if you can remove the thinking, the thought, what people will say, then automatically you will see that you are speaking the English language very good, very well. Because one fear, what the people will say about me, about my speaking, this sentence, this thought just stop us, and it just hold us. And this fear and this thought don't let us to speak or to do anything great in our life. Only not the English speaking. If you want to be successful person, and if you want to just do something great in your life, then too you have to remove this fear. Okay, just for to remove this fear, only one thing you have to do, it is that you have to face this fear. Okay, like now where I am in the outdoor side, I am speaking in the outdoor side, people are going, they are watching me. So what does it mean that I don't have any kinds of fear from people? Yes, I have fear. Whenever I see people, I hesitate, I just want to skip the speaking day. But I am giving myself challenges that doesn't matter how many people are there, I have to speak anyhow. Remember, whenever you will go to a stage and whenever you will start the speaking, okay, on the stage, first 2 or 3 minutes are the hardest minutes. Okay, but when you will pass that first moment, then you will see automatically all of the fears that you have, the people fear, okay, the fear of people, it will also go. So like that, just it's an illusion of our brain, the fear of people. So just break it. You don't fear, then the fear will fear from you. Then secondly, the thing that you have to do, it is just believe in yourself, believe in your knowledge. Most of us, we do a mistake, and that mistake, we think that we don't know anything. But remember, if you can understand English, that means you have lot of stock of words, you have lot of stock of sentences. So only you have to believe in yourself, you have to believe in your knowledge. However, one day when you will understand that yes, I know English and I can speak it in front of lot of people, I'll not do mistake. At that time you will see that whenever you are speaking, you are very confident. Confidence is very important. Okay, for to speak English also, whenever you will be very confident about your English speaking, about your spoken English, about your knowledge stock of words, all of the vocabulary, then you will see that that confidence will remove all of the fears from you. But whenever you will face the doubts that does I have all of the stock of words, what if I do any kinds of mistake, then this doubt will make and will born lot of more doubts, and for them you will not do something good in your life. So this thing I only want to share with you, that confidence is important. Whenever you are gonna speak the English language in front of anyone, just be confident, and you will see that confidence will boost up your fluency and your English speaking skills, and everything will be great. Now the last step, if you just perform this step, and after performing this step you will see that in yourself hesitation, fear will never come. Yes, like me, now I am speaking here in front of people because for only one reason, and that reason is outdoor practicing. Outdoor English practice is a very great idea and a very great practice for me, for to develop your English speaking skills, for to develop your English fluency and your spoken English. Just remember, just go at the outdoor side, take your one of friend. First time it will be very weird, it will be very hesitating, but you need to become consistent and you need to become very confident. You need patience for this work. So just only do one thing, that go in the outdoor side. Whenever people they are walking, at that time you just speak, and you will see that automatically your speaking it will boost up, and all of the fear that you have from the people it also will go, and you will never fear to speak English again in your life, because you are fighting with the most biggest fear of yourself. And whenever you will remove one fear, then automatically all of the another fear they also will remove. It's natural, it's the truth. So if you want to remove any fear, then you have to fight. So just go, just forget that there is something which is like people. Just speak, see everyone as your friend, and you will see that it will be very great. I am doing this practice, outdoor English practice, for 1 year, and nowadays I am very confident to speak English in the outdoor side. In my beginning time I also hesitated a lot. I tried to quit every day, but I did this practice. Okay, people laughed at me, and for that reason today I am here speaking in front of you. So this thing you need to understand, and whenever you will understand, and whenever you will start doing it, it will be very beneficial for you, it will be very great for you. So this thing I wanted to share in this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and also subscribe this channel, because in this channel I will always post this kinds of very interesting, very beautiful, and very nice videos about English, about learning. So guys, thank you for watching. To a great mind nothing is little, and remember one thing, that in life what you really want will never come easy. We pray to God that God give me easy life, but Bruce Lee prayed to God for to give him the strength to endure a difficult one. I hope all of you understood.